Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a secret hair treatment to help keep your hair moisturized, healthy, strong and beautiful. And without further ado, let's get started. So number one of our ingredients in this video is the onion. First and foremost, onions are rich in sulfur, a key element that promotes hair growth. When applied to the scalp, sulfur helps nourish hair follicles, stimulating growth and giving you those long, luscious tresses you have always dreamed of. Onions have antibacterial properties, which can help combat infections and dandruff. This means saying goodbye to itchiness and flakiness, leaving you with a healthier scalp and happier hair. Our second ingredient is called the fenugreek. Fenugreek is packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, which are essential for promoting hair growth and strengthening hair follicles. Applying fenugreek paste or oil can help reduce hair fall and boost the volume of your hair. Not only that, fenugreek also contains lecithin, an emulsifying substance that moisturizes and nourishes the hair, leaving it softer and smoother. Say goodbye to dry, brittle hair and also say hello to a sleek, shiny hair. So to get the best out of these ingredients, you may want to blend them, or I advise you blend them, and that's to make them into a powder form. It mustn't be very smooth, but the idea is to blend them and to be able to extract the nutrients. So first of all, I try to blend the fenugreek into a powdered form. Then I add the onion bulbs or the onion slices into the same blender and then try to blend them together to form a paste. It mustn't be very smooth, but the idea is to, like I said, extract or to help make the extraction of the nutrients very easy and very simple. So after blending them together, you want to bring them out into a bowl, a clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is very clean to avoid any form of infection or bacteria. So you want to do that, and then you want to add the next ingredient, which is the aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that nourish and strengthen your hair from roots to tip. It helps maintain the pH balance of your scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. If you are struggling with hair loss or thinning, aloe vera can be a game changer for you. Its enzyme content helps stimulate hair follicles, encouraging new growth and reducing hair fall. Are you suffering from dry and damaged hair? Then aloe vera is a solution for you. Its natural moisturizing properties hydrates locks, restoring their natural shine and softness. The goodness doesn't end there. Aloe vera is a fantastic natural conditioner that can detangle your hair and reduce frizz, leaving it more manageable and smooth. For those dealing with an itchy or irritated scalp, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property can bring relief, calming any discomfort and promoting a healthier scalp. So after cutting the aloe vera into smaller particles, you want to put them in a clean jar. Make sure it's very clean and free from every form of bacteria, and then add our fenugreek and onion bulb into it. Then add some clean water to cover the surface of the ingredients. Then cover the ingredients, shake it and leave it for at least 48 hours. Leave it covered for at least 48 hours so that the ingredients will be extracted into the water. So after 24 hours, the next thing you may want to do is to sieve the particles out from our solution. So with the help of a filter or a cloth, as the case may be, but I would recommend you use a cloth because it will help reduce or eliminate the particles from going into our final result. So after sieving it, the next thing should be, how do you apply it on your hair? So you want to get an applicator bottle. Make sure it's very clean, like as usual. Get an applicator bottle, transfer the solution into the bottle, and then cover it and apply it on your hair. So for best result, I recommend you apply it every night before you sleep and cover your hair with a shower cap so that you wash it off in the morning. And then don't forget to just wash your hair in the morning with just normal mild soap, and then apply hair moisturizer or hair oil of your choice, any hair oil of your choice, at the end of the day. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more hair treatment video. Thank you.